Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. I only have like 5 minutes to film this because I have to go pick up my son from school. He's giving me instructions on what to do right now. He's gonna bring in the basketball. Basketball never stops, guys. First thing I wanted to address. So in a previous video, I talked about Sydney L and how she's back to scamming. And I had mentioned that somebody had messaged me on Instagram and said that there was a petition. They're gonna start a petition to ban her from like reselling platforms, and I did reach out to them to see if they really did do that, and they did. If you're interested in that, I'll have it linked down below. She just needs to be stopped. She really does. She needs to refund the people that she stole money from. I have gotten a bunch of messages from you guys saying that you've also been scammed by her, and it's overwhelming. I don't know if I'm gonna make another video just compiling, like maybe taking a tally of the amount of people that she scammed just so we can get like a number. Because on her Instagram, she's telling a different story. She's only saying it's one person and they fell through the cracks, which is complete bullshit. It's multiple people. It's many people. I don't know. So I'm still thinking about that video, but let's move on to the questions. All right. The first question, where are my screenshots? Are you attending the Poshmark Secret Search Hacks event, and will you do a video on it? Okay. So Poshmark's having an event. Actually, I think it's tomorrow. A search hacks bullshit. Yes, I'm going to attend. I guess I was one of the lucky ones that got tickets to it, virtual tickets to it. Absolutely do a video on it. I'll take notes while I'm watching it, and I will report back to you guys and let you guys know. I don't think I'm going to learn anything groundbreaking. I think it's going to be a waste of time like the other one was. So I don't know. We'll see, but I'll definitely make a video and let you guys know what they said. This person says, Vanessa, have you seen this? And they sent me a screenshot of, it looks like a Facebook post. Maybe, is this Facebook? I don't know. It's from Poshmark. And it says, we are excited to announce that we have partnered with eBay, Etsy, Offra, Mercari, Reverb, and Tradesy to form the Coalition for 1099K Fairness, a coalition committed to promoting an accessible and fair online sales market for entrepreneurs, micro businesses, and casual sellers selling used and pre-owned goods via online platforms. The coalition's first priority is addressing the new federal tax reporting requirement passed by Congress last year that will disproportionately burden individual sellers used goods via online platforms. The new requirement reduces the Internal Revenue Service Form 1099K reporting threshold for third-party settlement organizations to $600 from a previous threshold of 20,200 transactions. I have not heard about that. I don't really know too much about it. I don't like to talk about tax stuff on here because I'm not qualified and I don't want to give you guys false information and then have the IRS knocking on your door or taking you to jail. So yeah, I don't know anything about that. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a little bit more research and let you guys know. But from what it looks like they're trying to like push back on the new law that was passed. So basically, if you sell $600 or more on an online platform, then you need to report that to the IRS. Previously, it was, what did they say, $20,000 and 200 transactions. So Poshmark and other platforms don't like that because they feel like, I guess smaller sellers shouldn't have to report that as income because they're just casually selling, and it's possible to casually sell and make $600. So I don't know. I don't really know too much about it. Maybe I'll do some more research, comment down below and let me know, or comment down below and let me know if you know any more information about that. I need to take a breath. I feel like I'm talking so fast, but I literally have to leave in like 2 minutes. Okay. Oh my gosh. I've gotten so many messages on this. So apparently someone is conducting a boycott. Poshmark boycott on May 11th. Saucy Moonchild on Instagram. It looks like that person is conducting it. Their Instagram post says, Poshmark, we're sick of your bullshit. No other site plays with people's money like y'all. It's pathetic how y'all do your long-term loyal users. I'm a site user of 8 years, and y'all, okay, that's a lot of y'alls. That's a lot of y'alls. Y'all threw my time, commitment, and loyalty in the trash with these changes. We are not guinea pigs. Did y'all know Poshmark snuck out that memo a month ago that they started fucking with shit internally on the app again after the last fiasco? You'd think they'd have fucking learned, but no, drop that bitch low-key AF. Anywho, this is day 3. Feel free to check out the last post. We're inching closer to boycott Poshmark. May 11th, those of us who are joining in solidarity are turning their vacay holds on for a minimum of 24 hours. I'm not forcing anyone to partake, and you can keep it on or off as long as you please. Mine is tentatively set for a month. What? But honestly, Posh left a bad taste in my mouth. I don't know if I'll ever return, even if they were to make miraculous changes overnight. Okay, so I don't think this is a movement. I don't think people are gonna get off Poshmark for a month, because a lot of people that are pissed about this are full-time resellers on Poshmark. I don't think people are gonna be boycotting them for a month, maybe 24 hours. I don't know. I mean, I'm not gonna do this personally. I think Poshmark's just gonna laugh at this. I don't really think that it's going to affect them. I don't think enough people will do it for it to affect them, I should say. So yeah, I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this. I mean, it's great. We want to take action against Poshmark because yeah, it sucks. But bottom line, their business, they can do whatever they want. We agreed to probably a lot of shit that we don't even know that we agreed to when we signed up for the website. We can be used as guinea pigs, even if we don't like it, and they can change things even if we don't like it. So I just recommend cross-listing and going on other platforms and not relying solely on Poshmark. I see a lot of people that are so upset with Poshmark, rightfully so, but you know, they're like, Poshmark's my main source of income. It's like, well, you gotta change things. Like, yes, you can get upset, but you can't just rely solely on Poshmark. Not feasible to do that. It really isn't. So I definitely recommend cross-posting and yeah, just not relying solely on Poshmark. All right, I'm gonna go now because I gotta go pick up my kids from school. Hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keeping It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. If you guys have any thoughts about anything that I mentioned in this video, comment down below. Again, I will have the petition to get that scammer off whatever it was, Poshmark. I haven't looked at it fully. I got to look at it. But I think it's just Poshmark, I think. I'll have that link down below if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.